Hi everyone, here we are at Dollar General. Let's look at some of their Christmas stuff. So we have 50 LED lights up on the top over there. Those are $10. Solar hanging bulbs. Look at this. In the yellow, the blue, here's the red and the green. Those are $1. Then here's some tea lights, and these are in gold. I can't see up that high, guys. And yeah, these are gold too. So then you have these little mini bulbs in silver, and that pack right there is $3. Here's some Sharpies in metallic. It's not nice, they're metallic. I don't know how much they are. I think $1.95. And then these are scented erasers for $1. Okay, so they have the inflatable Santa for $15 and the snowman. Then here's 100 mini lights. Those are $2.75. And then these are Christmas lights in the white, the clear, for $2. Then they have the 9-foot floor taper indoor extension cord. Okay, that's $5. And that's the outdoor timer, that's $10. And the outdoor extension cord, that's $8. And here is the multicolor 50 mini lights, that's $2. So here's some more. Oh, I love these. The salt and pepper shakers. Look at these, guys. These are so pretty. This one's dented though. Okay, so we have some more extension cords, multi-purpose timer, 200 LED dome mini lights. Those are $10. And the multicolor or the clear. And then here we have some stakes. And they're so pretty. So North Pole, Santa's Workshop and Tree Farm. Then this one right here says believe in the magic of Christmas with the truck. And the truck is carrying the tree and gifts. Isn't that cute? And here's another truck back here. So this is the snowman over here. That one says believe. And then Santa back there. I don't want to pull that out, so I don't want that to fall. Okay, peace, hope, and love with the Santa. Isn't that beautiful? Let me see if I can get a price. $8. Then you have this stand-up guy right here, snowman. Merry Christmas. And that one is $6. So if we start up here, look, you have the set of 3 lighted boxes. Those are $10. And then here are the regular gift boxes. I can't get that out of there. Okay. Oh, look, they have buffalo check. Isn't that pretty? These are only $1. Okay, so I have that one. This one says special delivery, and it has the truck. I like that. Okay, and that one has the white and black buffalo check. That's so cute. And then this one says joy. Remember, these are $1. I'm loving that buffalo check. Look at this one with the snowflake. Okay, so they have these for $1, the Christmas boxes. And look at this one. This is smaller, like if you were giving a gift card. See? And it opens. Let me see if I can get that open with one hand. I can't. It opens from, it has the flap. Christmas trees farm fresh with the truck. I love that. That's also $1. And then you have the gift cards. Those are $3. And here's some more. And look, this one has the red truck. Handmade cards for $2. Honestly, that's such a great buy. And then you have the metallic silver boxes, and there's the gold one, and here is the silver one, and these are $1. So the stakes, the solar stakes, snowman, $1.50, and then you have these red ones for $1. The star LED topper for $8, and the little one for $3.50, and these are the white and blue LED Christmas lights for $6. Then we have more Christmas cards there. Look at the angels. Okay, so here's the star, and here is the angel. I think that's metal. I'm not really sure. $3.95. So then you have the tinsel star, and then here you have the battery operated candle lights for $3. And here you have the light up sleigh with reindeer, $20. And here are the reindeers. Aren't they pretty? Then those are the snowmen for $20. So here's a squishy Santa for $1. Here is the snowman. There is the penguin. And there's the bear. That's nice. So here is a stocking. Here's a Spider-Man, Marvel. Avengers. Yeah, Marvel. Batman. Okay. So here you have yourself a merry little Christmas. That is so beautiful. And then there's the snowman. Okay. So these are the same. All right. So I'm kind of liking these. Aren't they pretty? They're like old-fashioned to me. And then the regular red stocking. Okay, so here we have the Minions. And then you have their LOL. And I think that's Paw Patrol. How cute. Okay, and these I like too. And look at these. Okay, so you got the acorn ornaments for $1. Then you have the felt garland. Isn't that a beautiful garland for $2? Then you have that one right there that says peace. And that snowman back there. That's so pretty. Okay, so here you have the sweater kind in that red and like this. So here's a chair cover, and the chair covers are $1. Then you have the big Christmas stockings, these like felt ones for $1. Then they have a box of socks over here. So this one says Merry Slothmas. How cute, Merry Slothmas. And there you have the dog. There's the Santa. There's the penguin. Ho, ho, ho. These socks are so cute. And here's the bobbleheads. And here's the scented pens. And look at this. Gel pens. 24 pack for $5. More Christmas cards here along the bottom. And look at this. Westcott came out with I'm pretty sure hopefully the Dollar Tree will get them. But this here, they're so cute. They are so adorable for $2. And they have this ribbon. I don't think I ever noticed these ribbons. Okay, so let me see how big they are. So 30 foot, 2 by 5 by 30 foot. So I'm thinking this is a really good buy. And those are the kind they have. Then they have this solar bobblehead. And that is $5. And look at these. Okay. Tree Farm. There's 3 of them. 3 of those ornaments. A galvanized metal roof. $3. And there's some more bobbleheads over there. And some books for $1. So here's a tablecloth. So there's the snowman. Oh look, there's the truck. If I can pull that out, okay. That is so nice. And the buffalo check. Then we have some stickers. Those are $1. And here's some more tablecloths. Then you have the bows for $1 in the bag. And some more Westcott scissors here, but these are the plain ones for $2. And some more squishy toys. Okay, and then you have some games. That's tic-tac-toe. I don't know if they're all tic-tac-toe, yeah, and multicolor. And then you have this little train set, wind-up train set for $1. And look, the buffalo check bows. I love these. Here it is in the red, and there it is in the white and black. And they also even have the plaid. So you know they have the window clings. So they have that kind. This kind with the animals. Santa. They have this kind. Then they have these gel ones. Isn't that that's so cute? There's the Santa. There's the dog. Okay, and then here are the bows for $1. So here's some storybooks for $2. That's really nice. And then here are your necklaces that light up. So here is like the bulbs, and then what are those snowflakes? And then what are these? Christmas LED decor. Okay, so these light up. See? These light up. And let's see. So we have some more bows. They're the other bows. So we have these bows and the burlap with the glitter and the red, and those are the big bows over there. Each of them are $1. And here's the blinking nose. So I like this. That's a little snowflake ornament. That's $1. Even the garland ties for $1. And here's the tinsel icicles for $1. And scratch and reveal ornaments, those are $1. Here's some more tinsel. This one is $1. These are 3. So maybe these are longer. And then we are stocked up with the wrapping paper, and I'm loving that buffalo check. I'm telling you, they're going buffalo check crazy. Okay, I love buffalo check, so I can never get enough of it either. Here's some more garland. Here's a 20-foot garland here for $3, which really is not bad for 24 feet. And here is 2 of the candy canes for $1. And this says Mrs. Claus Shop, and these are metal. Kringles. Then you have these activity sets that the kids can color in. So you have Snoopy. These are all the peanuts. Yeah, these are all the peanuts, which is really neat. Then you have these ornament hats here. And the Merry Christmas blessings to all. These are little wooden pieces. Merry Christmas blessings to all. Look at that one. Merry Christmas. And that one. So here's Santa. And here's Santa. And so these are $8. So here's some more wrapping paper for $5. And then you have some of the balls down there. Those are $3. And look, the nativity. So those are $3 for that size. And then here it says ho ho ho, the stand-up decor. And then you got some elves for $1 there. Look at these humongous bows. These are $3 for these humongous bows. That's nice. So here's the buffalo check, 3 balls for $3. So that's $1 each. And here it is in the red buffalo check. And then you have another nativity set. Here you have the ornament hangers, and here you have the mini tree toppers. And the gold and the silver, and here the bells. And then you have these guys. These are bigger than the ones at the Dollar Tree, and they do light up. These are $3. And then here is some ribbon. That's a nice ribbon. And look at these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are $1. Guys, look at this ornament right here. This ornament right here is $1, and it's galvanized metal. So they have a bunch of them. I gotta grab some of those. Those are so nice. Then they have the star. Look at that. Gorgeous. Then they have these bows, and those are $1. So you get 6 bows for $1. That's beautiful. And then look at these reindeer with the fur, and they're $1. Great buy. And they have them in 2 colors. So here's like the red burgundy, and here is the brown. So this one here, I'm loving the decor this year. Okay, so here's Noel. These ornaments are all $1. What does this one say? Peace, Mary. Those are all $1. And here's the truck with the tree in the back. That's $1 in that beige color, and there is the red. Then you have this one here that looks like a door. It says home for the holidays. Isn't that beautiful? In this house we believe. And it has like the little bow on the top, buffalo check or plaid. Here it says blessed. You know, I just can't get over these are $1. Believe. Faith. Look at that there. Faith. Blessed. I love it. Okay. Then over here you have believe in the magic of Christmas. There is a galvanized metal flake. And peace on earth. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Here's family, faith, and friends. The mason jar. Snowballs. Here is the peace Christmas tree, and there is snowflake in galvanized metal. Here the bells, and these are pretty nice size. So then you have these. These are nice for vase fillers or ornaments. And then these pine cones here. Look at all those pine cones you get for $1. Then you have the owl. Look how cute. They have the plastic snowflake in the clear, and here it is in the red. You know, the red is really pretty. Here's the bath hand towel and velour. So there is the snowman, and that one says Merry Christmas. Then these are the mini balls, Christmas balls in multicolor, and they're the candy cane ones. So then you have some doilies over here. Well, actually these are lace table runners for $4. That's so nice. Then you have some more ornaments over here. This is the bell, and they're all $1. Look at this one. Well, this one lights up, so these are 3. Then you have the Santa Claus. There's $3. I'm pretty sure you only get 1. And yeah, I am so excited over this. And then you have some Christmas boxes along the top over here. Wow, I'm very impressed with Dollar General. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to check out their Christmas decor. I will be back. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.